If you're not a Southern person or raised by a Southern person, you may never have had corn fritters before. Woohoo! You really missed out, because today you're going to be in for a nice little treat. Subscribe to my channel and you'll get a brand new low sodium video every Friday to check out. I have 1 beaten egg. I'm going to add 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. No sodium. 1/4 cup yellow cornmeal. No sodium. Just a sprinkle of black pepper in there. And we need 2 cups of corn. You can do that with 3 ears of fresh corn. I don't like using canned corn, but frozen's good. That's what this one is. And the package, my package says no sodium per serving. We just got to really watch those labels. We're going to mix this up. Then we're going to go cook them. Today I'm using canola oil. And I've used avocado oil, all kinds, but what I don't like is a heavy olive oil that leaves the flavor behind. These are good. And this for high heat cooking. I want to get my temperature right. So I have 2 kernels of popcorn. When the popcorn pops, the grease is good temperature for me. My stove is not level. These really cook good if you have 1/4 to a 1/2 inch of oil. We probably got 1/2 inch on that side and 1/4 on this side. It's gonna work. When that popcorn pops, oh, are we ever gonna be ready? We're gonna take a spoonful of our corn dough. I don't know if you want to call it dough or not. Put it in our hand and kind of flatten it down a little bit so that it fries good. And we want to let it fry for, about 5 minutes on each side. It needs to be kind of crispy before you try to turn it over with your spatula, or you'll end up with just all kinds of little pieces. Okay, we got our popcorn. We don't need to wait for the other one. My stove is set on medium to medium high. So when you make your patty, you're going to lose a couple of pieces of corn, but don't worry about it. You're going to have plenty. Drain your fritters on a paper towel. You can see I kind of burnt one, and we're missing a couple because we just couldn't stand it and we ate them. They're quite good. That's quite a bit of food for 70 milligrams of sodium, and quite tasty. Enjoy a little bit of Southern cooking.